So I want to make a video, or also known as a screencast, um, so that of something that I'm going to teach or whatever I need my students to see. And so I'm going to use an extension, a Google extension called Screencastify. Notice I've got my desktop open, and I've got Chrome open, and at the top of Chrome you see this little right, we see the little icons. This is the ad blocker, then the OneNote, and then right here, this little thing right here is for Screencastify. If you need to add the extension, this little puzzle piece right here, I can press on that and it shows me what my extensions are. Notice I have a full access to OneNote Web Clipper, which I use sometimes, but I also have a full access to Screencastify for screen video recording. That's what we're going to do. So if you need to add this extension, then you're going to go down to the bottom and go to Manage Extensions, and you can search for Screencastify, and it'll come up and you can add the extension because Sandra has paid for us to have full access to Screencastify this year, which means that we can record videos or screencasts unlimited time. And I'll talk about that in just a minute. So what I want to do is when I press on this extension,